Ready?
This one's going the wrong way.
I was trying to, you mean to pull it that way, or you want to? Spin that.
Wait a minute. Yep, you're doing it.
Right, we can, yeah.
All right. Going that way?
Yep.
You going?
You got it?
A little more, somewhere right in there.
Yeah, watch your step, Cole.
Is the engine clear?
You what now?
Is the engine clear in the back?
Next.
Not
Now
yet?
we gotta keep going back a little bit.
A little bit.
I hear somebody calling.
Slam her down.
Alright, back her up, hold on. No, you're gonna want that.
Now, if this was a 4700, I'd tell you exactly what we have.
You don't want to get that selector, the shift selector in there.
The other problem is
No.
that this
Where's your,
ship side, so that's in the way, and then this is all, no, that's.
Smells good.
You got them, Tucker, Donnie?
Huh?
I got a wire.
Oh, okay.